U.S. Appeals Court denies TikTok's request to delay imminent ban. In a significant development that affects millions of users, a U.S. Appeals Court has decided not to delay the forthcoming ban on TikTok, setting the stage for a potentially transformative shift in social media dynamics in the United States. TikTok, owned by Chinese company ByteDance Limited, faces a ban effective January 19, 2024, unless the company divests its interests in the app. This decision was upheld following a federal appeals court panel in Washington's agreement with the Protecting Americans from Foreign Adversary-Controlled Applications Act. This legislation mandates that TikTok be sold or face a complete ban, citing national security concerns, specifically the potential for data collection by the Chinese government and influence operations. Despite TikTok's plea for a suspension while it seeks Supreme Court review and awaits potential intervention from President-elect Donald Trump's administration, the court rejected the request. The grounds for denial hinge on precedent. Typically, after a court rejects a constitutional challenge to a congressional act, the implementation of the law is not paused, pending further appeal. TikTok argued against the ban, stating that it would not pose an immediate threat to national security, but would inflict substantial harm on its user base and corporate operations. The company emphasized the massive impact of the decision, noting on the social media platform X that over 170 million American voices, along with many more globally, would be silenced if the ban went into effect. The Justice Department has supported the enforcement of the act without delay, arguing that any postponement could undermine both governmental and public interests. On the other hand, TikTok has pointed out that the act allows some discretion for the President and Attorney General regarding its implementation and timing. The potential consequences for TikTok are severe. If the ban proceeds, the app will be removed from mobile app stores, making it inaccessible to new users in the United States and eventually unusable for current ones. This development follows previous unsuccessful attempts by President Trump during his first term to mandate the sale of TikTok. Observers are closely watching to see if the incoming administration will modify the enforcement of the law or alleviate some of its harsher implications, as TikTok and its large user base hold out hope for a reprieve. As the January deadline approaches, TikTok's legal battle reaches a crucial juncture as it prepares to present its case to the highest court in the country, the U.S. Supreme Court. Thank you for choosing Satori News.